Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and today I'm going to make some spicy chicken sandwiches, breaded, fried on the Blackstone Griddle. So let's go inside. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the chicken, and then we'll be right back. All right, I've got 3 pieces of chicken breast. I'm going to put it in this plastic bag. I've got some oil in there so the chicken doesn't stick when I hit it with my Man Kitchen Recipes mallet. How do you like that, huh? Both sides. Man Kitchen Recipes mallet. We're just going to pound it down and make them even. 1, 2, and 3. Then I'm going to put them in a bag. I'm going to brine them in Famous Dave's Devil Spit pickle juice. There's the pickles I took out of the jar. I'm going to take the juice from the jar. I'm going to pour it into my baggie with my chicken. And then we're going to marinate this chicken, or let it brine, for 2 hours, 2:15, something like that. Just make sure your chicken is well coated. Throw it in the fridge, and then once this is ready, we'll take it outside. Okay, so my chicken has been brining in the Devil's Spit pickle juice for 2 hours and 15 minutes. It ended up being. So the Devil's Spit pickles, it's a spicy, sweet pickle. So we marinated the chicken in the Devil's Spit to give it some of that spice. And then my breading, I've got about 1.5 cups of flour. I've got about 1/3 cup of cornstarch. I've got world famous spicy SPG, right? Salt and pepper. I got about 2 tablespoons of the spicy SPG. I got about 1/2 teaspoon actually of cayenne pepper too to spice it up a little bit. I got about 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper and about 1/2 tablespoon of salt. So we're just gonna take it, the chicken that's already moist, we're gonna dredge it in the flour and get it on the Blackstone. Okay, I've got my oil on here. It's heated up to about 350 degrees. So I'm just gonna take my chicken that's been brining, coat it with the flour mixture. Okay, shake it off a little bit. Just lay it on there. Of course, when you've got hot oil, usually you want to, when you lay stuff on it, you want to lay it away from you. I have my temperature up about medium high. Like I said, I let the oil heat up to 350. We'll let this fry up. Okay, we've got all 6 of our chicken pieces on here, and we're gonna let these go for probably about 3 or 4 minutes. They've already been on. These have been on for about 2 minutes so far, maybe 1.5 minutes, and then we'll get those turned. Go ahead and get this turned. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that bready. Nice and golden brown. Doing not quite. Those we'll put on a little bit later. In another minute or so. Flip those over. Okay, we'll let these go another couple of minutes. Check the temp and probably pull them off. Okay, these have been going a couple of minutes. Give them a quick temp check. 132, 131. Not quite as hot. That's interesting. Oh, there we go, 140 over there, but over here, must be a little thicker. Okay. All right, take a quick peek underneath. Not burning. Getting pretty crispy. So I'm going to turn my flames down to low, just so that this chicken could cook a little longer. Okay, let's check this. That one's temping at 168. 59 on this end, 168. So I'm going to move that piece over here to the other side where it's warm. It's not going to, it'll keep cooking it a little bit. Okay. See what these other ones are at. 45, that's got a ways to go. 140, 150. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and flip these. This one here is 161. This one here is about done. We'll go ahead and flip these just so we don't get a burn. Okay, these last two are temping out. 167. I'll move those over here. I'm going to get them on a tray and we will do the build. All right, look at that. Nice and golden brown. Okay, so these Devil Spit spicy chicken sandwiches are ready to be put together, so let's just get this thing put together. Okay, for this build, all I'm going to do is use some mayonnaise, tomato out of the garden, nice fresh tomato, and we're going to add some Devil Spit pickle chips on there. Okay, all I'm going to do is put some mayonnaise on both sides of this bun, nice fresh hamburger buns. Both sides. Now, if you want more spice, you can always add it. I think these are going to be just spicy enough. Okay. So we're going to get our piece of chicken on there. Look at that. Fits perfect. Then we're going to get our Devil Spit pickle chips. Go ahead and load these up. If you haven't had these before, they go great on burgers and sandwiches. They even go great by themselves, but if you're not sure about the spice, put them on a burger. Oh, so good. So I'm going to just load them on there. Then I'm going to get our fresh tomato on there. Just like that. And put the cap on. Look at that. Devil Spit pickle chip, Devil Spit chicken sandwich. Oh. Right, look at that sandwich. Oh my goodness. This is a spicy chicken sandwich, brined in Famous Dave's Devil Spit pickle juice with peppers and everything. I've got the Devil Spit pickle chips on the sandwich. Here we go, let's give this a taste. That is juicy. Spicy. Now, it's not really super spicy, but man, you can definitely get that afterburn a little bit. Very good spicy chicken sandwich. Very quick to make, except for the brine, a couple hours. On the Blackstone Griddle, man, I don't know, might have had them on 6 to 8 minutes, and they're built, ready to eat. So I'm gonna go inside, enjoy this spicy chicken sandwich, brined and Devil Spit pickle juice. And thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe, ring the bell, share with your friends, you know. Anyway, we'll see you on the next video.